Setting SOLIDWORKS. It starts with the option Change User Setting. The document begins with the black triangle option. You can immediately restore the settings. To change the size text and button, go to Customize, Getting Setup, Enable, Disable the toolbar, Block, Assembly, change location, simply dragging, close panel, change the content of the panel by dragging the buttons. Go to the Customize command and click left mouse button on the command and drag on the fill the panel. And change the content of the drop-down menu. Shortcut skateboards and mouse gestures. Change the location the panel by simply dragging. Activate the command panel features, simply dragging on free field.